how we show up, and while all of this is important, our energy introduces us before we even speak. So therefore, instead of just focusing on saying and doing the right thing, we really have to make our energy a priority, because leaders with this, I can't even say high levels of energy, because whenever I say high level of energy, people think automatically somebody who's very extroverted and bounces off the wall and the loudest person. It's not what I mean by high energy, it's more impactful energy. They have an ability to catapult performance of their teams and organizations to a whole new level. Energy is our highest currency. So, I don't know if any of you were in my talk yesterday, but if you were, you might be familiar already with this. I want to briefly touch on the concept of energy. Where do we actually derive our energy from? So if I had to ask you, what is the source of your energy? What would you tell me? Where do you get your energy from? Food. Anything else? People say energy drinks also.
Surroundings.
The what, sorry?
Surroundings.
Surroundings, yeah. Right? Yeah, exercise, all of these, right? So what we just named is the red triangle, the physical, right? But we are not just the physical bodies. We exist on 4 dimensions. We exist on emotional bodies, mental and spiritual. Our thoughts alone can burn us out. And how do we feel when we're stuck in this analysis of paralysis, ruminating about things, completely drained? Our emotions, I don't know if any of you have ever gone through depression or through severe stress or anxiety, they can literally bring you down to your knees. And a spiritual body, should be the first point of our contact, because it's something we deny often and we dismiss because it's not something tangible. But think about the word in spirit. Inspired. In spirit is the root of inspiration. And it's just physically not possible to be inspired and drained. It's not possible. So the key to optimizing your energy lies in balancing these 4 bodies. And that begins by us becoming extremely aware of who we truly are. And believe me, there is a big difference between